Hey guys, this is Tanner Gray, also known as Topsail Tanner. I can't believe it. I got some exciting news for you. The Coastal Land Trust and donations have reached their goal. What does that mean for you guys? All of this, 110, they call it 150 acres, probably because the parcel goes into the water. Long story short, you're looking at the next preserve behind us right now. So this will never change. So you asked for it. They wanted time. You got the Coastal Management Land Trust or Coastal Land Trust involved. And guess what? Here we are, guys. Now this will be endless, undeveloped south end of the island forever. So you asked for it, you got it. We'll just take a quick walk and kind of see why everybody loves this point so much. We came out of the parking and there's nobody here. Look, right now, two sets of footprints that have walked this thing. In the summertime, you've seen footage, guys, where we're taking the boat down. People are parked up against here. Right now, if you take a look, this is part of the dredge project. I don't think they're doing dredge work in South Topsail, but the pipes, what they do is they pump sand in offshore, and I think that's where Surf City's getting their dredging stuff from. So these boats right here will be in use continually. So a lot of people say, well, I can't believe these things are here or blocking. Guys, this is what we do to preserve the island. You know, it's part of what we do to protect. Now, don't forget, don't confuse the idea of sand dunes being a protection of your home. It is not. They are meant to wash away, but they can be renourished and you can put them back. But guess what? It's a sand castle, guys. Move it around. Even if we weren't here doing anything, this island stays like this. This is growing. Why is this growing? We talked about it once, the leeward side of the island. It's naturally growing without any dredging. So would Surf City grow if nobody was there? Probably not, but it would shape. This is a barrier island that is constantly moving, but good news, guys, for everybody that wanted the point not developed, not this, not that, you got it. So here we are, guys. We've got miles of pristine, I think it's a mile and maybe 3 miles to go all the way around this 110 acres of actual land that could have been developed or for some other project. Maybe a golf course, I don't know, whatever somebody could have done with it. It was private property, so, you know, with the zoning and stuff, but that's where last year they had so much resistance because there was a family that tried to purchase it and they shut it down, which gave the coastal land management and personal donations and town donations and fundraising to get to this point just a few days ago. It is 2025, guys. It's freezing Mr. Bigglesworth out here. I'm not sure if I can say that, but I'm going to. People act funny when it's winter here because they spray the roads for freezing. In my opinion, it's really funny. I don't know how to describe it, how people react to the snow down here. It's like, they get giddy. And I'm just like, man, I always think I had to move far enough south. That's what I think. But I don't like the snow, not particularly a fan of the cold. But these are the times, guys, look at this beach. I mean, who gets to walk these kind of beaches on any day basis? Another thing I was talking about, you know, water being so cold this time of year. Look at this, this is ocean water. Again, this is why people love going to Lee Island and parking their boats right here. Even though you can drive here and carry your stuff, we're about a quarter mile probably from the parking lot already, but you don't want to carry your stuff that far. You just bring your boat and park it right here. It's absolutely fantastic, guys. The water's clear. And why is it different than up at the north end? It's because it's ocean water that flows in and out of this sound right here. Come down and enjoy it, guys. Obviously, this isn't the same in the summertime, but you know, if you live here or, you know, want to come down and visit the point, it wraps all the way around and there's oceanfront spots, inlet spots, soundside spots. This has become almost a new Lee Island. Lee Island was a nasty way to get to this year because of the shifting sand, what we just talked about. And they're not dredging ways to get over there. I saw several boats get stuck. It's always changing, so if you don't know how to read the water, like I can look out and see certain spots of the water. Even today on a calm day, I can tell, because during the winter, the water gets clearer. You can see certain patterns and, you know, look for tides and stuff. But long story short, sand's always shifting, but this place now will always stay like this forever. So you wanted it, you got it. Thank you, Coastal Land Trust, again, and definitely want you guys to come visit the point if you haven't, the south end of the island. So it's a really cool place. Again, guys, it's Tanner Gray, also known as Topsail Tanner, and we will catch you on that next one.